Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to drop ship products from Shopee to your Shopify store. Okay, so as you can see right here, we have our Shopee account and then our Shopify store on the other tab. And as you can see right here, we have one product from Shopee that I have imported earlier. So I'm going to show you on how you can do that as well. Okay, so the first thing that you should do is you have to log in to your Shopify store. So just visit the shopify.com and then you just have to log in. Okay, then after logging into your store, you'll be able to see here now your dashboard. Okay, and then this is your product section. So you'll be able to see here all of the products that you have in your store. Now, in order for us to dropship products from Shopee, we have to use another tool, which is the Importify. Okay, so make sure that you have logged into your Shopee account as well. Okay, that's right. So we have successfully logged into our account. Now let's go back to Shopify. And right here, you'll be able to see here the app section on Shopify. So just click on it and then just search for Importify. And then you'll be able to see this application on Shopify. So you have to install it on your store. So I already installed this one, and you have to subscribe to a plan in order for you to access this application. Okay, so you can drop ship products from Shopee to your Shopify store. So this is our dashboard right here, and currently we have one product imported. And then if you would like to upgrade your plan, so we have the basic, the premium, and the gold. And then they also offer 1 day free trial if you want to explore the app first before you're going to invest your money. Okay, and then after that one, since we already created our account, subscribe to a plan, the next thing that we should do now is to import products. Okay, so let's close this section. Okay, and then before I forgot, we also need to install the web browser extension. So just search for Importify extension. So we will be needing this extension so we can access the Importify on the browser that we are using. So just search for it and then click on this website. That's right, and you'll be able to see an option right here where you can add this to your web browser. Okay, and then after adding it to your web browser, just click on this extension icon at the top of your screen. That's right, and you have to pin the Importify so you can access it directly. Okay, so after adding this to your web browser, let's close this now. So let us try to find product that we can import to our store. Just go to Shopee and then just have to select your category. Okay, so for example, we are going to import products. They also have search bar at the top if you want to find a specific product. For example, shoes, and you'll be able to see here the different results. So just click on the product that you want to import to your Shopify store. Then after that, you'll be able to see this add option. That is the Importify. Okay, so all you have to do now is to check if this product is worth it, and then click on the add option. Then just wait for a couple of seconds and be able to see here the product details. Okay, so you have the title right here, the description, the variants, the video, and then the images. But Importify will not really guarantee you that it can import all of the details. So you really need to check it first if you have successfully imported all of the details of this product, so you can manually add them to your store later on after you add the other details using the Importify. So just click on the add to your store option. Okay, and you'll be able to see here the Importify that we have installed to our web browser, and then just click on the edit option and you'll be able to see here now the details of the product that you have imported from Shopee. Okay, so again, we can manually upload here the images if you cannot find it after we imported this product to our Shopify store. So you can just go back to Shopee and then you just have to save the important images of this product. Okay, so just click on it and then save image as, so we can upload it on the details on our Shopify store. Okay, so let's go back now to our Shopify store since we are done saving some of the images of this product. So go back here and then click on upload new. Okay, and then if you'd like to, customize the description and some of the other details, you can do that as well. Then once you are done, all you have to do now is to check the price, of course. Okay, so we have here the product description. So we can copy this one and then put it on the details. So paste it right here. That is right. And then scroll down to check the other details. So we have the variants, and then of course the price of this product. So you can check the original price first before changing the price of this product to your Shopify store. Okay, so you also have to consider the price from the original price. Then once everything is set, all you have to do now is to click on the save option at the top of your screen to save your changes. Okay, so let me just check the other details and then click on the save option at the top of your screen. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds and now your changes has been saved. So let's check our Shopify product section and refresh this one. You successfully added a new product using the Importify. Okay, so here is a product that we have added. That is right. So now let's go back to Shopee and try to explore another products, and let's try to add all of the details. Okay, so let me just use the search bar at the top again, and then if you would like to go to the trending products, Shopee also has that features where you can go to the categories to check if there are trending products that you can actually sell on your store. Okay, so you just have to explore this feed right here. Now let us try to search for mirror. Okay, so you just have to scroll down to see the result of the product that you are trying to import. For example, this one. That is right. So just click on the add option. This is the Importify once again. Just wait for a couple of seconds. So just check the details first. First one, we have the product. That is right. And we have the description. Okay, and then we have the default description section. We also have the variants, the video, and then the images. That is right. Okay, so after that one, make sure to check the select all options. You'll be able to import the images as well. Okay, that's right. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and then if you would like to customize this further, just click on the edit option and you'll be redirected to the Shopify product section. Okay, so as you can see, some of the images are not here again. So just go back to Shopee and then do the same process. Just download all of the necessary images. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.